Yueliangping Scenic Kangyang Tourist Resort is in the northwest of Xunhan County, Sichuan, inside the Wuma Guicao Forest. It sits right where Sichuan, Chongqing and Shaanxi provinces meet, on the edge of the Sichuan Basin and the southern side of the Doba Mountains. The area is between 1050 and 1620 meters above sea level. The average temperature is 16.8 C year-round, and in summer it stays around a cool 21 C. Almost the entire place is covered by forest, about 99.4%. There's an old legend here. The Moon Fairy, daughter of the Jade Emperor, once came down from the heavens and landed on this land. Here she met Bimawen, the man who looked after the heavenly horses, and they fell in love. People were so touched by this story, they named the place Yueliangping, or Moon Plain. Back in the 1960s, 86 young people from Chongqing came here and planted trees. Today, those trees have grown into a tall, thick forest. The average tree trunk is over 30 cm thick, with some as big as 90 centimeters and over 20 meters tall. It's one of the richest large forests in Sichuan. One of the coolest things here is the Canopy Cloud Walkway. It's a treetop boardwalk, 1,314 meters long, winding through the forest like a giant dragon. When you stand on top, you can see amazing views and feel the magic of the forest. Another highlight is the Jade of Bashan, a round structure, 30 meters wide. Using hologram tech, it lets you talk with the moon goddess Chang'e. There's also a 5.2 kilometer long ecological trail marked in red and blue. It goes through dense woods where you can see wild animals, plants and old ruins from the White Lotus Rebellion like Guicao Fort, Gongxi Fort and more. If you love camping, the Yulu campground is for you. It covers 6,000 square meters and can fit around 300 tents. The tents are set up on raised platforms to protect nature, with open views and great scenery. The Love Hua Hotel here looks modern and stylish. It has both public areas and guest rooms, including singles, doubles and suites, and there's parking too. There's also a big service center around 23,000 square meters with 450 parking spaces and a bus stop for tourists. Thanks to its fresh air, thick forests and oxygen-rich atmosphere, Yueliangping is a perfect place to relax and refresh. You can try forest bathing, watch the sunset, meditate or just breathe deeply and let go of stress. Moonfall Camp or other camping areas. Families and friends can enjoy nights under the stars and peaceful forest nights. For those who love activity, the resort has biking islands and fitness trails perfect for riding, hiking and exploring. You can also join group challenges and adventure games. With so much nature and history, Yueliangping is also great for students. It's a fun way to learn about science, history and culture right in the heart of the forest. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. We are waiting for your loving comments.